Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the essentials, define the ICP, and gather 100 prioritized leads with at least email and 1/2 phone numbers. Once done, map these into your CRM so data flows into the Lighthouse metric. Then launch the first actionable step. Send the opening email from the 3-touch sequence and schedule the first call window within 3-5 days. This moves the beacon from planning into measurable activity that will reveal signal versus noise quickly. You now focus on qualification and amplifying the Lighthouse signal. Start calls using a tight script with 3 qualifying questions about pain, timing, and budget, because clarity filters prospects fast. Make sure to update the lead score for responses, opens, clicks, and call duration so your Lighthouse highlights hot targets. Next, send personalized follow-ups that reference trigger events and company metrics. This raises relevance and improves conversion. Keep iterating the sequence based on which messages produce You finish by closing the loop. Log outcomes in the CRM, assign clear next steps, and run a 1-week review cadence to inspect Lighthouse trends. Then optimize aggressively. A /B subject lines, CTA placement, and call times, and double down on winners. If activity isn't lighting up, troubleshoot the root causes, verify data quality and email deliverability, and revalidate the ICP fit. Make sure to refresh poor segments or remove noise so your Lighthouse points to real opportunity instead of static clutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.